user story is very complex thing. Farana, we teach you the structure or the existing application, how you can write. But enhancing this application, making a new feature, that come with the thought process. Okay, so no, user story is, you know the structure, great. You know the what type of question, great. You know how to explore, how to review. These are actually the foundation. We are trying to build the foundation very strongly. Based on the
I think
foundation,
joining the other group with the QAs, it's helping me with the user story. I can see what they're doing.
Exactly. I
with the
highly recommend
API. It's all
all,
connected, I mean.
exactly. I highly recommend all of you should actually join. But you guys don't. Exactly. No, Farhana, you nailed it very good. Joining them, you see what they're thinking on those
Yeah.
user story, on those like the API, correct?
Yes, and all the APIs, like some are for the seller portal and some are for the buyer, but some of them I was just confused if Prento or anybody can go over.
We'll
Just
go.
some. Most of them I know, okay, I know that
Good.
which side they are, but some I just want to make sure if they are on the seller part or the the other part. I just want to make sure with that.
Okay. No, that's the one we are going over. Yeah. We can meet couple more time and until you guys meet the next Wednesday. So you guys do today, even the entire week, if you guys want to do, but not one. That do not write one user story until the review. If you write after today, like by tomorrow, if all of you have a 30 user story, we can meet again. And by Sunday, if you have the again 20 user story combinedly, we can review again. So that from today to until next Wednesday, we can do the continued review.
Do we do all of the APIs? Because I was
No,
assigned to,
you do the
everybody was
user
assigned like
story.
2.
You do not say the API. You see the user story. From the user story, decision comes whether API or not API. Or yes, existing user story, you can enhance, and that can have the API. Of course, that API need to be updated.
We were assigned the API
Okay,
part
let's
from the Swagger.
focus on the retro board now. Let's
Okay.
get the retro board done. See,
All
again,
right.
do not mix things. Retro board is done. Then the entire week we will be doing the review. Entire week. The commitment is you guys combine. Let's say you have a 20 user story or the 15 user story. Now set up a call. Prantu will be reviewing all of them. If it is daily, it's fine. If you want tomorrow again, this time he will be reviewing. And then again Saturday not, Sunday not, Monday, Tuesday, and next Wednesday. Good. Tomorrow, yeah. Saturday, Sunday, even Saturday, Sunday also can be, evening can be done. So the calendar, do not say review. Just say I have done the 10 user story, I want to review. Just set up the calendar and meet one-on-one. Or I will say the highly recommend is the meet as a group. The group is great because all can learn together. All can get the feedback together. That's the reason the group meeting is the best. Okay, sounds good, guys. Thank you. Okay, you guys continue. Thank you. I cannot take any more time. I took already.
All right. So I watched workshop from November 2nd. So basically, I did the Agile develop management tool. I did hands-on that. I watched more videos, the implementation part, and I worked on features and the user stories. I think this is it for my part. Famida wrote user stories, set up meeting with members, and review with team members, and leave feedback. And she created sprint and retro, I think, for the admin. And
oh, I think Faria did late to create the sprint, right? Faria, you are late.
Yeah, I was a bit late, delayed. Forgot after the meeting to create it. Pratik reminded me later.
Okay.
Okay, and Noor Jahan, she did 6 summaries, and she wrote some user stories. And Famid, I was able to work on presentation.
Yeah, he was sick. Like
yes.
Yes, go on.
Should I read all of them or just the action items from the right side, or?
Action item. Okay. I need to
For
finish up
Fahmida,
working with Sabin and FedoC, and also finishing up all the common user stories. Spend more time understanding API testing and finishing all user stories for the seller portal for the product feature. I need to put more time and effort into my work related to the course at any cost. Okay. Okay. So let's continue to review the user stories. So Faria, do you have any question?
I tried to write the user story for campaign, the
Mm-hmm.
first one, but when I tried to create a campaign, the create button didn't work.
Okay.
But then I was able to do the seller sign up one, which is I think part of the uh,
Mm-hmm.
default.
So did you
for
And
sign
you,
up as a seller?
I did not sign up. I just did the sign in. Because for campaign and brand, if you're going to create a campaign or brand, you would have a existing seller account. And I
Yeah,
think
you
you
should.
used
Yes.
one. If you reviewed my user story, you used I'm using the information you used during the uh, workshop, the
Mm-hmm.
6 hour one. I used
Mm-hmm.
the email and pass from there.
Okay.
I think there is one account that everybody is using, and I think you can use that one for the seller portal.
That
I mean,
bug tracking
I
team
have
2 at
right now that one
gmail.com.
works. So
Okay. Okay. So you can share your screen and let's see that your user story, what you have written. Did you write did you write anything? Maria?
right, what?
I mean, anything on your user story, or you just as you couldn't
No,
create the
I
camp?
did write one with
Okay.
it's complete, but I haven't wrote anything else other than that one.
Okay. Can you show me that?
Okay. So this one. Are you able to see it?
Objective as a seller, I should be able to log in to the seller. I think this did anyone like this write the user story for this one, or you are the only person for the login to
I
the
would have
seller portal?
to log in as a seller so I can create my campaign and brand. So I did this
Yeah,
one.
no, it's fine, but I said that did anyone create the same user story? If it is already created, then it's fine. Then you can just only refer this user story to your dependency to create the campaign. But if you are only person who is like creating this one, then it's fine also.
I
That
think
means
she's the only one. Yeah.
okay, then that's good. As a seller, I should be able to log into the seller portal with an uh,
Oh,
verified email and password. Mm, Instead of saying the verified, you can say the registered, because to log in, you need the registered email. If okay, if you are like are verified, okay, verified is also fine, registered is also fine, good. Okay, as a seller, I should be able to log into the seller portal with a registered email or verified email, whatever, and password that was authorized by the super